Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, I'm John Sisbody, Truder, and welcome to How to Make the Perfect Fallout Game, because you know one thing I love about Fallout? It's constantly evolving. Every generation brings us huge changes to the franchise, and that, for me, is a good thing. I'd rather Fallout was constantly trying new stuff rather than endlessly playing it safe and maybe eventually becoming a bit stale. But the downside is that not every change is gonna be good. Every game has introduced something that doesn't work and would be best forgotten. Yes, even that one. And accordingly, every game has introduced something really cool that we should preserve or bring back. Yeah, even that one. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to explain how to make the perfect Fallout game by discussing two things that worked brilliantly in every main Fallout game and one thing we should throw away and never talk about again, to make a sort of recipe for the perfect Fallout 5. So, let's kick off with the original Fallout. And I want to start off by talking about the world, specifically how the world is introduced to you, because the original Fallout is, to my mind, the best example in the franchise of how to facilitate organic discovery and exploration. So, let me give you a simple example.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, essentially, we had discussed that YouTube was going to be the way to go using iframe.
Yep.
And I wanted you to look into getting, because with our own, you should have access to the OMCI channel, correct?
Yes, but I don't want to start streaming on it. Do we have?
Yeah.
Do you have monetization enabled on
Nope.
the?
No, we don't. Nope. Because we're not.
Are we eligible for it? Because we need AdSense.
So I'm going to let you know right now that we don't. I actually did my research on it. And based on what I can see, if you create and go live, you can create a scheduled live event. And then when you get the shared function for that, where you can copy the YouTube share link for it, because it doesn't change, you can just embed that into an iframe, and then that becomes it's essentially just a black screen or your thumbnail up until you go live.
I tried doing that with the live stream, and it gave me the error, and it said that I physically can't embed streams.
So we've already tried embedding the live stream.
Yeah, I just did that earlier, like 5 seconds ago. I was live streaming myself, and yeah, it wouldn't. It just, you can't get past the AdSense requirement to embed live streams if you don't have.
Question: did you use your personal? Did you use the OMCI account?
I use my personal.
Okay. So in the OMCI account, you can create, as long as you don't go live, you can create a unlisted link, because an unlisted link, it's not for public, is it? So like according to what I got from Google, from the Google customer support, is that if it's an unlisted link, we should be able to embed it on our own website, because we're not monetizing it. Like,
so an unlisted stream, then it's a link.
Yeah.
Unlisted link. That's also an unlisted stream, then, right?
Yes. So okay, can you share your screen for me for a second? I want to do the walkthrough and make sure that we have it.
Yeah. Yeah, sure thing. This browser, right? Okay.
Okay. So let's go to the OMCI YouTube.
Should I try with mine first, or should I just?
Nope.